Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a little rant at Microsoft. I think it's, from time to time I like to rant, and I like to rant at Microsoft a little bit. Although there are wonderful things, and there are many things that are, nice with Microsoft, there's also some really weird stuff. And it all comes down to probably the fact that it's such a big company that people don't really talk to each other that much, and that there's all sorts of weird decisions taken here and there. The first one I want to talk about is that update pause that is only happening in May. For some reason, I didn't also realize that May is not next month. It's like, the next optional update would be like 2 months from now. Ain't that kind of far away? And maybe it's now that it should be done, not 2 months from now. Why? Who took that decision of doing that? May, really? May. Is it because, and that made me wonder actually, is it because version 2004 is coming in April? And being an optional update, technically, they don't want to pause that update? That's what came to mind to me. Maybe that's the thing. But still, people are working from home, and they need their computers more than ever to be top shape and work well. That is so weird. These are things I don't understand. It's interesting because the Edge stable version that Microsoft has, well, they decided that that's gonna be okay. The Edge stable version is already paused, and so if you're on the Edge Chromium, the new Edge, this is right now what you have, and it's paused, and it's fine, and it's okay, and there's no problem there. Why is it that now, let's be fair, they're pausing in a way because they probably have to, due to the fact that Google Chromium project is on pause also. But still, they decided that the browser needs to be stable. Why didn't they decide that maybe the operating system needed to be stable? Just saying. I don't know. I don't think it's just me thinking like that. Hey, Microsoft? It's really, really something. And, I don't know. Maybe it is time to pause and say, look, with all that's happening, that next version of Windows, maybe we should push it to the fall and wait. There's nothing urgent, honestly, in getting the next version of Windows right now. I mean, for those that it expires, even extend the October 2018 update that is about to expire. And what is it? April or May? Why not extend that also, and just make sure that everybody is a stable version of Windows 10 and stay there for the time being at least. I don't know. It's a suggestion. I think that would make sense, especially with more people working from home. So apart from that, well, there must be less people working at Microsoft right now. That's for sure, with all that's happening around us. And that also is something that maybe is a good idea to pause, because if you have more employees at home, Google, Apple, everybody said that there's a little less employees that a lot of employees will work from home and so on. But there must be the same for Microsoft. And I would guess that maybe it would be a good idea for Microsoft to kind of, pause all of this a little bit, keep us on stable version of Windows 10 that works well. And, we'll continue and start again all of this, when things get better. I don't know. I don't know about you guys, what you think of that, but I think that would be the best of ideas. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.